And here on the tile logic, I'll just explain just a bit briefly so you have an idea of what the A star does. We have with a star a G cost, a age cost, and a F cost. You can see this is the names given in the algorithm manual. I'm not sure how to call that. G cost is the cost from origin to this tile. So yeah, it is our distance. Age cost is the distance from this tile to the objective. And of course this distance here in the age cost is just a guess, because we don't actually know how far it will be to get there. For an example, if there is a path that goes directly to the objective, but there is an obstacle that blocks this path, we won't know until we get there. So in this example, the age cost will screw the A star algorithm, because what appears to be the fastest path will actually be a complete waste of time. And then we'll have the F cost, which is only the G cost plus H cost. So this is pretty simple. It is essentially a score. So essentially A star considers the shortest path from the origin to the tile logic plus the guessed shortest path from this tile logic to the objective. And I think I will change these names here, because I taught some classes in this matter, and this is one of the things that confuses people the most. G, H, and F don't really mean that much, except H, that means heuristic. The G cost and F cost, this is from function, I guess? I don't know. So I'm going to change those names. I hope, even though the variable name will become a bit big, I hope it becomes very clear what it is. So first we have cost from origin, and then we have the cost to objective and the score. I think this is the clearest we can possibly be. So you will not confuse G cost and H cost and F cost. Alright, of course we will need to change some things here, but